Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Teachable platform's easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Teachable account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Click on the Create New School button located at the top right corner. Enter the name of your school in the provided field. Select your school's subdomain. This is the URL where your platform will be accessible. Choose the appropriate plan for your needs. Once selected, click on Create School. Next, set up your school's branding. Upload your logo in the branding section. Add a unique description that reflects your mission. Now, navigate to the Courses section on the left sidebar. Click the New Course button to begin. Fill in the course title and subtitle. This will be the main title students see. In the course curriculum section, start adding your lessons. You can choose different formats such as text, video, or quizzes. Arrange the lessons in the order you want them to appear. Now, move on to the Settings tab for your course. Here, you can set your pricing options. Decide whether you want a one-time payment or a subscription plan. Next, you'll want to configure your course's landing page. Edit the page to include a compelling description and visuals. Make sure to include testimonials if you have them. Preview the changes to ensure everything looks good. Once satisfied, click Publish to make your course live. Return to the dashboard and review your school settings. Ensure all information is accurate and engaging. Now, invite instructors or co-authors if necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.